Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you what are the inside parts of a laptop hard drive. First of all, I disassemble this hard drive in this way. After remove this outer cover, it look like this. Now I am going to power up this hard drive by using a USB enclosure. Let's see what will happen after power up this hard drive. In this hard drive, this is the hard disk and this is the head and head arm. And this is a powerful magnet. This magnet helps to move the head arm rapidly, and this is the controlling unit of this hard drive. Then let's power up this hard drive. After power up this hard drive, you can see the movements of this head arm and also this hard disk rotating very fast. Okay, now I am going to disconnect this USB power supply and disassemble the other parts of the hard drive. Let's see what are those. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. After remove the all screws, I pull up this magnet like this. Then I remove the magnet. This is a very tiny magnet and also very powerful. It helps to move the head arm very fast. I am going to remove other parts. Finally, I move out this head arm. Those are the parts inside of hard drive. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just took the lean in the family, credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the band, legacies.